Let me show you the secret to find square root of a number, especially bigger numbers or large numbers that may be difficult using the regular method. Now, some of our tutors taught us how to find square root of a number using prime factorization method, but I would like to use a long division method to teach you how to find the square root of numbers. That one is faster and easier. Now, if you want to find the square root of 4,624, now please, I will advise you to go and learn the square of numbers. That one will be easier. It will be easier for you to learn this method. Now, what do I mean by square of number? That is 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. Learn at least from 1 to 20. Now, you have 4,624. You have to find the square root of 4,624 using long division method. Now, you look for the square of which number will give you either 46 or number less than 46. As you all know, 1 square, if you count 1 to the square of number from 1 to 6, because 7 square will give you what? 7 times 7, 49. And it is more than 46 already. So let's go back to 6 square, which is 6 times 6. Then 6 times 6 will give you 36. 46 minus 36 will give you 10. Now, this is where it gets complicated, but it's very simple. Double this 6. 6 plus 6 will give you 12. Now, bring down these two numbers at the same time. Mind you, in division, in a regular division, you have to bring the number down one after the other to join with the remainder. Even if there is no remainder, bring a number down after the other. One after the other, I beg your pardon. Now, but in this case, since you are using this method to find the square root of number, so you bring these two numbers down at the same time. Now, when you are bringing the two numbers down at the same time, to join with this remainder 10, it will give you 1,024. Now, look at this. There's what we call trial and error method. Now, you look for 120 what times what will give you either 1,024 or number less than it. Now, let me try 126 times 6. 6 times 6 is 6. 6 carry 3. 6 times 2, 12 plus 3, 15. 5 carry 1. 6 times 1, 6 plus 1, 7. We have 7 and what? 56. But it's still not up to 1,024. You have to keep trying. 127 times 7. Meanwhile, the number you are going to add to this place must be equal to what you are going to put here. So let's try 127 times 7. 7 times 7, 49. 9 carry 4. 7 times 2, 14 plus 4, 18. 8 carry 1. 7 times 1, 7 plus 1, 8. 889. So it's still less than it. So don't forget, you have to look for the two numbers, two equal numbers you are going to what? Multiply together that will give you either 1,024 or number less than it, which is very close. So since this one is still not close, let's try 128 times 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 4 carry 6. 8 times 2, 16 plus 6 is 22. 2 carry what? 2. 8 times 1, 8 plus 2, 10. You can see it is 128 times 8 that will give you 1,024. So write it out. 8 times this 8. So 128 times 8 will give you 1,024. So 1,024 multiply itself and subtract itself will give you 0. So your answer to this question was 68. The square root of 4,624 will give you what? 68. It's as simple as that. Now let's try this. How can we find the square root of 400 using this method? You can drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you.